I haven't been to all the islands in the Philippines, but I'd like to go, you know. I have a pet bird, so I can only go for so long because I have an animal that likes food and likes me to see her dada. I have a bird named Bebop, and she's been with me for 16 years, and she's like a family member. I don't have her with me today, but she's a very special animal, and I have to take care of that bird to keep her alive. And I'm with her every day, every night, and I'm feeding her, I'm loving her, I'm taking care of her. And I raised the bird since she was like hatched from an egg. Going on 17 years now. So she's kind of special. So when I travel, I can only travel for a few days, you know, because I have to get back to that bird.